Join me as I pack my carry-on and personal bag for a 5-day and 4-night stay in Nashville, Tennessee. The first thing I do is I put a towel down on my bed since I'm going to have my suitcase on it. I love my little suitcase. I've had this for years. I got it as a gift for Christmas one time. I also use these packing cubes, which I've also had for a long time, that I bought off of Amazon. Make sure you check the description box below where I'll have everything linked. These packing cubes come in 3 different sizes, so I use the bigger one for my clothing. In this one, I'm going to be packing my nicer going out outfits, so I have a top and some shorts, as well as this matching set that I'll be wearing, and a couple of tank tops that I like to roll up so that they all fit in here nicely. The first thing that I like to do when I'm packing up for a trip is I check the weather at the location that I'm going to. Then I take a look at my outfits and try to make sure I have basic outfits that I can mix and match easily in case I want to change up a look. Packing simple outfits that will go with anything is the key to have a minimal wardrobe when you're traveling. In the small packing cube, I put all my socks and underwear in this, so I'm not going to show those things, but you get the idea. My rule of thumb for underwear and socks is to pack 1 for each day plus an extra just in case. In the medium-sized packing cube, I'll be packing my bathing suit in case I want to go to the pool. I'll also be going to a music festival out there, so I'm packing my festival outfit in here. These items are very thin and light, so I'm packing them together in this packing cube. One thing that I love about packing cubes is not only do they help save space in your suitcase, but it keeps everything organized, and I always know which packing cube has what and I know what to grab whenever I need to get ready for the day. I do have a little bit extra room in this space, so I ended up putting my sports bra and a bra in here too. And now the packing cube is nice and full. I am bringing just 1 pajama set, which is just an oversized t-shirt and some shorts. I also pack 1 pair of black leggings because it goes with everything that I'm packing, and I love these ones because they have pockets on their side. And then I organize the packing cubes in my suitcase to see how they best fit. Since there's no space in the cubes for my pajamas, I just roll them up and tuck them in the bottom. Next, it's time to pack up my toiletry bag. So I use this black cosmetic bag that I got from my Buy Nothing group. I love this. It's really nice quality and it's perfect for my travel accessories. I have a small clear pouch, which in it I store Q-tips, shampoo, body wash, lotion, and a razor. I normally pack a smaller travel size deodorant, but I didn't have time to go to the store and get one, and I already had this brand new one in my bathroom, so I use this. Some sunscreen. Vaseline comes in handy as well, so I pack a little jar of that. In here I have my toothpaste, toothbrush, and floss. I did not purchase this. This actually came from my dentist when I went last, and it's perfect for travel. And as far as my makeup goes, I have this other little tiny pouch that I like to use. I already have a very simple makeup collection, and then I simplify it even more when I'm traveling, and everything that I need fits into this little tiny pouch. In this pouch, I have a travel-sized makeup remover, foundation, mascara, eyeliner, and a beauty blender in here. I also pack my reusable makeup removers. I love these. These are tiny and the perfect size for travel. I also pack my body mist, pain relief medicine, and some gum. Usually this goes in my personal bag in a smaller compartment. And I also pack my hair straightener. I almost forgot to pack my skincare items, which is just super simple. I use this facial cleanser and some vitamin C serum. Fortunately, the size is TSA approved, so I didn't have to transfer anything into a smaller container, but usually I will do that if necessary. I also pack this wide tooth comb to brush my hair. And that's as far as it goes for my travel toiletries and accessories. Things that I don't pack in my suitcase but do wear for my trip is my jewelry. I already have my jewelry on, like my earrings and necklaces. Also, if I'm bringing a hat, I will typically be wearing the hat to the airport, so I don't need to pack those things up. I like to keep things very simple when I'm traveling, so if I can wear the item instead of pack it, I will do that. I never really pack shoes with me. The shoes that are on my feet are the only shoes that I wear, but I do like to pack some sandals just in case I need to lounge at the pool or just walk around the hotel. I always bring some sandals. It's going to be pretty warm in Nashville, so a jacket isn't really necessary, but sometimes I do get cold on the plane or at the airport, so I just pack one just in case I need it. Normally when I travel, I like to wear my sweaters or hoodies, then pack it in the suitcase, but since this day was also just pretty warm, I was not going to be wearing that, so I put it in my suitcase. Next up, we have my personal item, which is this backpack. I got this backpack several years ago and I love it. It's leather, it's roomy, it's got extra pockets in the front and the side, and I just find it's the perfect bag for my personal bag when I'm traveling. My personal bag essentials include a book. I recently watched It Ends With Us in theaters and read the book, so now I have to read this one. I never go anywhere without my reusable water bottle, so I always pack that. It saves me so much money, so I don't have to buy water at the airport or wherever I'm at. A pen, you never know when you need to write something down. Can't forget the AirPods, so I bring those too. Like I said, it's going to be pretty warm in Nashville, so I'm bringing this handheld fan. This is handy for those hot, sweaty days when you can just pull this out and cool down. I love that it's compact, it can fit anywhere, and it's always a must. I hate being hot and sweaty, so I have to pack this with me. Then we have the wallet, of course, some sunglasses, and I try to make sure I bring sunglasses that I don't care if I break them or lose them while I'm traveling, so these are the ones that I'm packing. Also, a portable charger is a must. This one's pretty big and bulky. I don't have one of my own because mine broke, so I'm using my partner's, but a portable charger always comes in handy too when traveling. And last but not least, I'm going to be carrying this small bag with me when I'm out and about exploring the city. When I'm out exploring, I also don't want to be carrying a ton of stuff, so this bag is perfect for just my wallet, sunglasses, and phone. No matter if I'm going on a 1-month trip or a 2-day trip, I'm always going to be packing like this. Packing a carry-on only and a personal bag is the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what are some of your travel essentials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.